Introduction. Let's learn. The digestive system of humans. The excretory system of humans. Healthy habits for digestion and excretion. Learning outcomes. Children will be able to draw and label parts of the digestive system. Name and identify the organs of the digestive system. Discuss the functions of the digestive system in the human body. Explain the functions of each digestive organ in his or her own words. Give reasons for chewing of food for better digestion. Name and identify organs of the excretory systems. Explain functions of each organ of the excretory system. Draw and label parts of the excretory system. Discuss the need for the excretory system in the body. Identify various habits that help to keep the digestive and excretory organs healthy. Our body needs energy to do work and stay healthy. This energy comes from the food we eat. When we eat food, it goes to various organs for digestion. Before digestion, the big pieces of food are broken down into small pieces. Let us discuss about our digestive system. The digestive system of humans. Our body cannot use the nutrients directly from the food we eat. So, they undergo a change passing through various organs of our body. The process of breaking down of food to simpler form is called digestion. Organs of digestive system. Mouth. The mouth is the first part of our alimentary canal, which is also called oral cavity. Liver. It is the largest organ of the body which secretes a digestive juice called bile that helps in digestion of fats. Large intestine. Large intestine is the last part of the alimentary canal that connects to the rectum and anus. Rectum. In rectum, the undigested food in form of feces is stored. Pharynx. The pharynx is the part of the throat immediately below the mouth. Food pipe or esophagus. The part next to the pharynx is called the esophagus or the food pipe. Stomach. The esophagus leads to the stomach, which is a hollow container that holds food. Pancreas. Pancreas secretes digestive juice that helps in digestion. Small intestine. Next to stomach, small intestine where total digestion process is completed. Anus. It is an opening through which wastes are discharged out. Process of digestion. The process of digestion starts from our mouth. When we take food Into mouth, the teeth bite, chew, and grind the food. Food is also mixed with saliva, which is a digestive juice. Saliva makes the food moist and soft so that it becomes easy to swallow. The saliva contains chemicals called enzymes in it, which help to digest the starch present in the food. From mouth, the food passes into the food pipe. The muscles of the food pipe push it down into the stomach. Food stays in stomach for several hours. It is mixed with more enzymes and an acid secreted by the walls of the stomach. This process changes the solid food into liquid form. Protein is digested in the stomach. From the stomach, the liquid flows into the small intestine. Here, the food is mixed with different digestive juices. These break it down further into more simpler forms of nutrients. These nutrients seep through the walls of the small intestine into the blood in blood vessels. The blood vessels carry them to the different parts of the body. We cannot digest some parts of the food, like the fiber in fruits and vegetables. These pass from the small intestine into the large intestine. The large intestine absorbs leftover water and minerals. The semi-solid waste then passes to the rectum. It is stored there for some time before leaving the body through the anus. Role of liver and pancreas. Liver secretes a digestive juice called bile. The bile helps in breakdown of fat. Pancreas also secretes digestive juices that helps in digestion. Need of chewing food. Proper chewing of food is necessary. Some of the benefits are as follows. Chewing helps in swallowing the food easily. This process releases saliva. Saliva digests starch and makes our food soft. Proper chewing converts food into smaller pieces and helps food move through the esophagus and food pipe. It strengthens our teeth, gums, and jaws. It helps in release of digestive enzymes and thus simplifies digestion. Let's know more. The liver is the largest internal organ of our body. It adds special digestive juices called bile to partially digested food that breaks down the fat into simpler forms. Small intestine is longer than large intestine, but the width of large intestine is more. Pharynx is the organ that serves both digestive and respiratory functions. The excretory system of humans. The process of removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. The waste products and the extra water from our body are removed through our excretory system. Some parts of our body, such as lungs, kidneys, and sweat glands in skin, are involved in this process. Sweat glands in skin release excess wastewater and salt in the form of sweat. Lungs release carbon dioxide from the body through nose. Urinary system is the main excretory system of our body that removes wastes in form of urine. This system consists of a pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Kidney. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs. They are the main organs of excretory system. They filter the blood and pass the waste products through ureter in the form of urine. Ureters. They are the muscular tubes that connect kidneys to the urinary bladder. They carry urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. In adult humans, ureters are 25 to 30 centimeter long. Urinary bladder. It is a hollow, muscular organ that collects urine from the kidneys before passing it out of the body. It is an elastic organ. The normal capacity of urinary bladder is 400 to 600 milliliter. During urination, the muscles of the urinary bladder contract to allow the urine flow out of it. Urine exits the urinary bladder into the urethra, which carries urine out of the body. Urethra. It is a duct which conveys urine out of the body from the urinary bladder. Urethra is smaller in females as compared to males. Need of water for digestion and excretion. Water is important for our body. About 3/4 of our body weight is water. It helps in the absorption of nutrients. Insufficient water in the body causes improper bowel movement that leads to constipation. Also, toxins produced in our body won't exit without water. Water also regulates the temperature of our body. Thus, it is essential to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water to maintain a healthy digestive system. Let's do. To make a model of excretory system of human beings, you need cotton, sponges, glue, chart paper, straws. What to do? Cut 2 pieces of sponge into bean-shaped size. Paste them on a chart paper with glue at a short distance from each other. Take a cotton ball and color it yellow. Paste it as urinary bladder with glue in the lower middle of the 2 kidney-shaped sponges. Take 2 straws as ureters to attach the cotton ball to each kidney-shaped sponges. Healthy habits for digestion and excretion. We should follow some healthy habits to keep our organ systems healthy. Wash your hands before and after all meals. Eat meals at fixed time every day. Chew the food properly. Eat balanced diet that contains all the nutrients in adequate quantities. Do not talk while eating. Do not overeat. Do not drink water during meal. Drink water a few minutes after the meal. Rinse mouth properly after you eat anything. Do not play or sleep immediately after eating. Eat lots of fruits and vegetables to add roughage in the food. Eat fresh and well-cooked food. Avoid junk and fatty food. Eat fresh and well-cooked food. Stale food can make you fall sick.